Hi guys, you're on my channel and today I want to satisfy my kids as usual and we will make ramen but authentic with turkey, which I will do right now. Come on. I have such a big piece of turkey breast. I need to season it well, so I have salt, I have garlic powder, I have a dill, dried dill, dried onion, pepper, paprika, and vegetable oil. And now massage it. And now I need foil and paper, and we will roast it in the oven. And now it's ready to go to the oven. The turkey breast is ready. It was like for 4 hours in the oven. Let's watch. Wow. Okay. This broth will go to the ramen, and the turkey breast we will slice it, and part of that I will use in the ramen, and the part of this I will freeze for sandwiches and the other ramen, so it will be my meal prep in the freezer actually. So what we have chicken breasts for the future sandwiches. We vacuumed and sealed it. So we have the base for the broth for ramen. I will use it today, and the meat for ramen also for the main dish. But first we need to make broth and put some noodles inside, okay? So we need a pan, and we have a broth base we will put inside the pan. That's it, roasted turkey juice. And now add water. I've got 2 last cubes of the previous roasted turkey broth. I will add it here for more flavor. We need to put it to the stove to boil, and then we can add noodles here. But we need to put noodles in the broth, and we can serve the ramen. Go do it. Noodles here, and 1, 2. I will have 6 because I will have 6 people. And okay, and let's put it to the stove for 2 minutes more, and we can serve. I decided to make ramen because like a few days ago I found beautiful Chinese store with Chinese food, and I found this package of ramen noodles. That's why I got this idea. Okay, I think I'm ready to serve, and I will do like this. Oof. Hop. Let's put noodles. Okay, and now we need broth. Okay, and now let's add meat. We have turkey here, and we will add an egg and one more egg, and I will add cherry tomatoes for the color. And I want to add spring onion. I've got frozen one. Some sushi nori. Okay, see, our ramen is ready. I think that's amazing. I don't have chopsticks at home, I don't know why. So, fork. I love noodles. Guys, that's wow. That's amazing, seriously. And let's eat meat. Mm. I think kids will be shocked and impressed because my daughter, she's, the fan of this cartoon. I forgot this name, Huntrix. If you know, you know Huntrix, And they were fan of ramen. And after that, she was like, "Mom, I want to try some ramen." And Mom is making everything for her. If you want more recipes, meal prep ideas, and whatever, and if you want something more, you can write it in the comments. But subscribe my channel, give me a like, and recommend it to your friends. Bye, guys.